If you're tired of uncomfortable seating during your outdoor adventures, a camping chair can be a great alternative. Not only do these chairs provide a cozy spot to relax, but they are also portable and foldable, so you can focus on enjoying the great outdoors. But with so many camping chairs in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best camping chairs. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a day at the beach, I'll have something for everyone, because nobody wants to be stuck with a rock for a seat. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong chair. This camping chair is best for heavy-duty use on our list, and your new best buddy for all things outdoors. This chair isn't just any camping chair. It's a throne built for the kings and queens of the wilderness. This chair is tough. It's built with a compact, foldable steel frame that can support up to 800 pounds. So, no matter how heavy your gear is, this chair can handle it. And don't worry about lugging it around. It folds up nice and compact, making it super easy to carry. And there's more. This chair comes with mesh cup holders and pockets. 2 cup holders to keep your drinks secure and within arm's reach, and pockets to stash your phone, snacks, or whatever you need close by. This camping chair has more pockets than your typical outdoor folding chair. It's a compact folding quad chair that's perfect for easy storage and transport. Plus, it comes with a carry bag featuring adjustable backpack straps, making it super easy to take on your hiking adventures. Comfort, it's got that covered too. With a generous seating area and adjustable armrests, you'll feel like you're lounging at home, even if you're miles away in the woods. Overall, the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong camping chair combines durability, comfort, and convenience if you're looking for a camping chair that is as comfy as your couch at home. Number 5 is the Kelty Lowdown chair. This chair has the most classic design on our list and is your personal oasis of comfort in the great outdoors. First up, let's talk about the frame. It's made of sturdy steel, so it can handle all your outdoor adventures without breaking a sweat. Plus, its durable puppy-proof fabric and 325-pound weight capacity make it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're on uneven ground or rocky terrain, this chair stays solid and reliable. On to the comfort features. The Kelty Lowdown chair has a customized recline function. So, whether you want to sit upright and chat or lean back and gaze at the stars, this chair adjusts to your perfect position. It gives you the perfect mix of comfort and toughness. Plus, it's got padded roll storage. This means you can pack it up easily, and it's comfy to carry around. Thirsty? No problem. The insulated cup holders keep your drinks at the perfect temperature. Hot coffee in the morning or a cold beer in the evening, your drink stays just right. And with its handy storage pockets, you can keep your essentials close. No more fumbling around for your phone or snacks. However, some users suggest that its reclining feature leans too far, which makes it difficult to sit in an upright position. Plus, the chair tends to be on the pricier side compared to simpler camping chairs, which might not be ideal for those on a tight budget. But overall, the Kelty Deluxe Lounge chair stands out for its exceptional comfort and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor relaxation experience. Number 4 is the Yeti Trailhead camp chair. This is the best deluxe option on our list and your new go-to for outdoor relaxation. If you're serious about comfort and durability on your camping trips, this is the chair you've been waiting for. This chair is the ultimate blend of durability and comfort. Its sturdy frame is made from advanced materials that ensure it stands up to the toughest outdoor conditions, so you don't have to worry about it giving out on you mid-adventure. It's designed to hold up to 500 pounds, so feel free to bring your gear or even have your pup sit on your lap. Comfort-wise, the Yeti Trailhead really shines. It features a super supportive FlexGrid fabric that conforms to your body, giving you that just right feeling every time you sit. Plus, it's lightweight and breathable, so you stay cool even when the sun is blazing. Plus, this chair folds up easily and comes with a handy carry bag, making it a breeze to pack up and take with you wherever you go. And don't worry about UV rays. This chair won't chip or have fabric disintegration, so you can enjoy both strength and comfort. Need a place for your drink? No worries. It has a built-in cup holder, perfect for your morning coffee or evening beverage. In short, you're not just getting a chair, you're getting a portable throne for all your outdoor escapades. Overall, the Yeti Trailhead collapsible camp chair is a best-in-class seat designed for legendary durability and hardcore comfort. And if you want to know the latest prices for the camping chairs discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Helinox Chair One. It's the best lightweight option on our list. This chair is like a superhero for outdoor enthusiasts. It's lightweight, compact, and super easy to set up. Weighing just about 2 pounds, it's a breeze to carry around, whether you're hiking up a trail, heading to the beach, or just relaxing at a campsite. Despite its lightweight, the Helinox Chair One is incredibly sturdy. Made with high-strength aluminum alloy, it can support up to 320 pounds. The seat is crafted from durable, weather-resistant fabric that holds up against the elements while providing a comfortable perch for your outdoor adventures. It's designed to offer great support, making those long, lazy afternoons even more enjoyable. One of the best parts? This chair collapses down into a small carry bag that fits easily into your backpack or car trunk. Setting it up takes mere seconds. Just pop the frame into place and attach the seat. No fuss, no hassle. Whether you're an avid camper, a beach lover, or someone who just enjoys sitting in the park, the Helinox Chair One is the perfect portable seating solution. It combines comfort, convenience, and durability, making it an essential piece of gear for anyone who loves the outdoors. However, this chair sits just 10 inches off the ground. While this design provides a stable and comfortable seating experience, some users may find it challenging to get in and out of, especially if they have mobility issues or prefer higher chairs. Plus, the compact design means the seating area is relatively narrow. While it comfortably accommodates most users, those with broader frames might feel slightly confined. Overall, the Helinox Chair One Original is a remarkably lightweight, compact, and collapsible camping chair. Its ingenious design combines durability with portability, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or simply relaxing by the campfire, the Chair One delivers comfort and convenience in a class of its own. Number 2 is the Kijaro Elite Dual Lock Chair. It's the chair with the best value on our list and your new companion for all outdoor adventures. The Kijaro Dual Lock features no-sag seating, meaning you won't feel like you're sinking into the ground. It's crafted from durable, diamond, ripstop polyester, which sounds fancy because it is. This material ensures the chair stands up to wear and tear, making it perfect for rugged, outdoor use. Plus, the breathable mesh on the seat back keeps you cool, even on hot days. Now, the real magic is in the dual lock system. When you set it up, the chair locks open, giving you a firm, comfortable seat. When it's time to pack up, it locks shut, making it easy to carry and store without it accidentally popping open. And it has got 2 cup holders, one for your drink and another for, well, your other drink, or maybe your phone, snacks, or whatever you need close by. There's even a zippered pocket to keep your valuables safe. The Kijaro Dual Lock Chair combines convenience with durability and comfort, making it an essential item for your outdoor gear. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and built to last, ensuring you'll always have the best seat wherever you go. Number 1 is the Coleman Cooler Quad Chair. It's a chair that is best for overall use. This chair is designed for ultimate convenience and comfort. The fully cushioned seat and back provide that extra layer of softness so you can sit back and relax for hours. Whether you're watching the game, soaking up the sun, or enjoying a campfire, this chair has literally got your back. One of the coolest features is the built-in cooler that holds up to 4 cans. No more frequent trips to the cooler, just reach down and grab a cold one right from your chair. It also has a handy side pocket for your essentials and a cup holder for your drink. Everything you need is within arm's reach. When it's time to pack up, this chair collapses easily and fits into the included carry bag. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Plus, it's durable enough to withstand the elements and repeated use. This chair has a strong steel frame that supports up to 325 pounds with an included carry bag. Plus, the storage pocket is here to keep magazines and personal items. And with an adjustable and compact design, it folds up to fit inside most car trunks with ease. Overall, with the Coleman portable camping chair, you're not just getting a seat, you're getting a mini oasis of comfort and convenience. Make your outdoor experiences even better with this chair and enjoy the great outdoors like never before. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect camping chair much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.